Welcome back. Well, sometimes you want to fix a problem, but then you fix another one accidentally, or find the reason for another one accidentally. So stay tuned and be surprised with me. Today we have a look inside our heat and vent intake. I think there is dirt inside. To get the wiper arms off, we're gonna pull this little tab here. You lift the arm, just lift the arm up, and then pull that tab out and then wiggle the arm off. It's a spline. They can be a bit stuck, but if you look at the mechanism underneath, it's clear how it works. This little tab is essentially just locking into this recess here. So you can't pull it off when the wiper arm is on the windscreen, but as soon as you lift it, you can actually pull it forward and then it comes out. So let me take the other one off and have a look inside here. As you probably notice, this is a right-hand drive, so the air intake is on the driver's side, on the right-hand side, whereas the other side is basically just a bogus cover. So I then just take the screws out, and then it should come out if you pull it forward. There's quite a bit of dirt in it, but not actually in the intake itself. You got the washer nozzles. I don't want to scratch my bonnet here. You got the washer nozzles here underneath. There's a bit of dirt, but not much really. I was thinking there might be a lot of dirt, but it's not. That's your wiper linkage down here. That's the has been jammed in somehow. That's been rubbing on the. That's bad. I know. I know why I don't have pressure on my washers. Look at that. There's a hole. That's the reason why the water pressure is so low. So let me take a vac and take the shit out here. Yeah, so there was always water going down here. That's interesting. I was wondering why the pressure on my washers was really low, and obviously that's the reason for. So we're going to replace those hoses with new ones. I think we have some. Right, let's take the vac and take the dirt out here. I never looked inside here. I think someone took it apart and put here we have it. That's a proper cut here, so we just replaced that. Hopefully I've got something, but I think. And then we put some cable ties on here, just to keep it away from here, because that's gonna move downwards. So this is swiveling this way, so we need to keep it away from there. Just put some cable ties on. Should actually help. Yeah. There might have been some at some point, but someone took it out. Anyway, let's find some pipe work here. We found some pipe. It's actually fuel pipe, Goodyear fuel pipe. It came from an auction lot, and it always comes handy. Right, let's cut a piece and put it back in. That was actually too thin because the fuel pipe is thick wall, and we just got another one. Slightly thicker, that fits. So new hose fitted. I put a cable tie here and here, so it should not interfere anymore. Yeah, there was not much dirt in it, but we fixed another problem. It should be okay here. Yeah, it should lay on the top here, and just make sure this one doesn't get kinked here. I need to check where this is going. It's down there, so it should be fine. Okay, let's take the racks out. I put some racks down there just to prevent it from scratching my bonnet here. Okay. Yeah, I could do with some new paint, but I don't care at the moment. It's more like finding out what's going on here. Yeah, apparently there's no dirt. But we fixed another problem. That's always good. So yeah, it goes fully in. I've got to check it here. You don't want to kink the hose here. You have to be careful with this thing because it's plastic. Yeah. The problem is the new hose is a bit thicker than the old one, and it's got to be at the right place, otherwise it's not gonna go in. I think that's fine. Alright, yeah, when you put it back, be careful with the hoses that you don't kink it. Let's get some screws in and see how it sprays. So I don't have the wipers on because I'm gonna paint them, but that's the spray. It helps if you fix the problem. Well, this is what it should be. Anyway, happy with the solution. I bought a new pump actually because I thought the pump is tired, and yeah, that's how it happens sometimes. I wanted to fix a problem and fixed another one. Maybe it's of help for someone. We just put the wipers back on, probably give them a lick of paint before we do that, and that's it. Simple fix for a long-standing problem. Because the pumps are actually on the Mark 1 Cherokees, the pumps are underneath here, down here, and it's a freaking pain to get there. That's the reason why I haven't done it. The rear pump doesn't work anyway because I don't use the rear wiper. I removed it actually. Anyway, yeah, as I said before, maybe it's of help for someone suffers from the same problem. We'll see how it lasts. We still need to address the issue with the relatively low airflow in the heater. I think there is some dirt somewhere. I just can't see any. I pushed the vacuum cleaner hose down here and there's nothing coming out really. Nice chip in the windscreen. Alright, that's it from that one. Simple one, but yeah. At least something else fixed. So we got the wipers hooked up and it sprays all over the windscreen. Before it was only doing that far. Don't know if it was visible on camera, but I'm very pleased with the result. Okay, another one done. Just got our check engine light. Injector number 1 has a contact problem. It will disappear after a while. It's always one. The connector is poor, so we need to look at that as well. Got new connectors, I just need to fit it. And once you've been wiping, make sure the park position is correct, because there is a bit of leeway in the linkage, so always make sure it's alright and doesn't actually obstruct your vision. Alright, happy so far, everything seems to work. Put some new paint on, looks a bit better once they're off anyway. That's it from the wipers, or from the windscreen washer, which should have been a heat or airflow problem fix, but isn't. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, until next time.